Hiya, today we are going to see converting two lists into a dictionary. So for that I have taken two kind of inputs. So you can see the difference between the two inputs. So first one having the length is 3, but here in the L1 in the first second method we have 5, but in L2 which have the same as previous method. So for first method I'm going to create only empty dictionary because we need the dictionary output, right? This is the expected output, right? So I'm going to take D equal to one empty dictionary, and here I'm going to use for loop for I in range of length of. I can use either L1 or L2 because both are same length, so there is no issues. So for example, I'm going to take L2 and I'm going to take a condition. If I less than length of L1, I'm going to take the dictionary D of L1 of I equal to L2 of I. Simply I'm going to print it. You can see the output. We got that output, right? So this method I can able to simplify this program again. So for that what I'm going to do is like simply I'm going to comment this one in the dictionary. What I'm going to do, I'm going to take that L1 of I, which refers to that all the values inside the L1 colon L2 of I, which refers to that 1 2 3, and here I'm going to use that for loop for I in range of length of. You can either use L1 or L2. Just for example I'm going to take L2 because both are same length, so I'm going to print it. Okay, see, same output we got it. So the interview might ask you there is a difference in the length of that L1 or L2, and they want to print whenever the value is null, we have to print none. So for that I'm going to use again same t equal to empty dictionary for I in range of. Here I'm going to take that L1 length of L1, then I'm going to use that if condition if I less than length of L2. Okay, then here what I'm going to do is like D of L1 of I equal to L2 of I, then else. Here if it is same length then it will match with that same key and value, but suppose if that length is beyond that L2, then whatever the key value is coming as a null, it will assign as none. So here I'm going to write a logic for that. D of L1 of I equal to none. Simply I'm putting like that, and I'm going to print, and I'm going to run the program again, and you can observe what are the values is not matching with the length, the else condition will be executed, and that key value of 4 and 5 will get that none. So this program also we can able to simplify same as like above program. So for that I'm going to do is like I'm going to comment this one, comment these lines, and here same logic I'm going to use as before. You can see here almost the same, only slight changes will be there. So I'm going to use like L1 of I colon L2 of I if I less than length of L2, else none for I in range of length of L1. So I'm going to run the program again. You can see same output we got it.